Guys, so we're testing Farlight A6. Keep forgetting, kalimutan ko pangalan ng game to. Basta, you know this game, Farlight. And same pa rin, Athlon 200 GE. We are testing it. So, right now, naka-full ang ang graphics natin at 99%. At ang CPU natin is not struggling. Okay lang siya. At 38 degrees. Ang watts na pinupulya sa sa kuryente is 29 watts lang. So very grabe, super efficient So we're getting 37 FPS. So we're gonna start the game and pakita ko sa inyo kung kamusta ang performance niya. Grabe guys, I'm not expecting this but we're getting para sa ang performance niya sobrang ganda. We're getting 80 FPS, 85 makita nyo sa screen, 98. Grabe, this game is super efficient, hindi compared sa Rules of Survival before. Pero guys, hindi ako magaling sa game na to, so kinukuha ko lang mga items na makita ko. But we were getting lots of random stutters. Yan, mga random frame drops. Maybe kung i-lock ko sa VSync, you will get stable na FPS. I'm here na sa open area. Usually nagsistruggle na tong graphics. And we're getting 100 FPS. So tells you a lot about the game na kasi minsan may mga games, they're not really efficient in handling sa mga CPU at sa mga other stuff. So ito, it's wait lang oh my goodness, antong klase. That is the performance ng Farlight 84 guys. I hope you like it. So make sure to subscribe sa channel and comment down below kung meron kayo suggestions or games na patry. As always, thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next video. Peace!